Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. For today's project, I'll be using some of the Dollar Tree candle holders. And as you can see, I've already started to apply the white paint on this one. It will take another coat. I'll also be painting this one as well. And these are the materials that I'm going to be using. I have my glue gun, I have my pair of scissors, I have E6000 glue, and this is the white paint that I'm using from Walmart. This apple barrel is white. I have my paintbrush, I have glue sticks, and I have several bling wraps that we'll be using to decorate the candle holders. So I'll be back and we'll continue with this project after I've applied the coats of paint onto the candle holders. Okay, I'm now ready to apply the bling wrap. So I'll be putting 2 rows of the floor mesh at the top. Let me show you how I'll be doing that. Okay, this is the first row. I'll put a second row of the floor mesh. Then I'll be putting a row, well, 4 rows of the gold bling wrap will go in the center, right around. And then I'll be putting 2 more rows of the floor mesh at the bottom. So I'm going to continue doing this off camera and I'll be back to show you the finished product. Okay, I've completed the 2 rows of the floor mesh. This is what it looks like. So now I'll be applying the gold strips. Is 5 rows, 1 2 3 4 5 rows of the gold bling wrap. This is what it looks like. So I'll continue to put it on off camera, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like when it's all finished. Okay, I've completed applying the bling wrap and the floor mesh around the vase. I've put 2 rows of the floor mesh at the top, and I put 5 strands of the gold bling wrap in the middle, 5 rows across, and then 2 more rows of the floor mesh at the bottom. And as you can see, all the spaces that were created from using the floor mesh, I took single strips of the floor mesh like this, single strips, and I fill in all the different holes all around, and this is what it looks like now that it's finished. I think it turned out nicely. And this can be used as a decorative piece or for whatever purpose you wish. I've also made 2 square ones. These are pure silver. I use the silver bling wrap in the middle, 5 strands, and I put 2 rows of floor mesh at the top, and I use a single floor mesh to fill in all the spaces, the top and the bottom, the same way. This is the third one that was done similarly. I think they all turned out real beautifully. I hope this has inspired you to do something similar. These candle holders, they can be used for so many different purposes in the home. These are all 3 together.